Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christian and this is CXC Beauty. So for today, we are going to be doing this look right here, which is inspired by sunsets, beautiful bronzy colors, red colors, and super glowy model skin. Today I used two different palettes. I used the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, which looks like this. Mine's a little dirty because I use it so much. And then I also used it in combination with my palette, which is the CXC Beauty Palomino Paradise palette. These two palettes together complement each other so well, so I really wanted to create a look showing you guys exactly how I use them together. And yeah, this is the look, so if you want to learn how to do this look, or just watch me do makeup and have some fun with me, keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure to subscribe before you do anything else. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also make sure to ring the notification bell so you know exactly when I upload. And you'll get my latest videos right away. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this makeup look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyeshadow. And today we're gonna be using the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, which is this one right here. And then I'm also gonna be using a little bit of my Palomino Paradise palette. So I'll probably be using this red here and maybe sunset right here. So let's see, I'm gonna do eyeshadow first because I know since this eye look is gonna be intense, I don't wanna have a bunch of fallout on my foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. And I kind of just tap that on my eyes all the way up to the brow bone because we gotta cover everything. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is called Flor, and it's a beautiful red shade in my Palomino Paradise palette. It's gorgeous. It's like the best red I've ever used in my life. And I'm gonna start with this little MAC 217 brush. This is the original 217, so it is the goat hair one. I don't think MAC uses natural hairs in their brushes anymore. They went fully synthetic, so. But you can use any little precision blender brush. And as you can see, this red is super pigmented, so you really don't have to tap it a lot in the pan. And I'm kind of just stamping the shape out real quick before I start blending it out. Okay, so I already laid down the color and I blended it out a little bit and kind of brought it out. Now I'm gonna jump into this palette right here and I'm gonna go in with the color Glory, which is this deep burgundy shade on a CXC Beauty Precision blending brush. So I'm gonna start putting this into the crease right over Flor, just to build up the intensity and deepen the color. And if you're ever wondering the pan sizes of my eyeshadow, this is the Natasha Denona Sunrise, and this is Palomino Paradise. The eyeshadows are like these are like 3 times the size. Or I can show you like, here's like a ColourPop eyeshadow compared to CXC Beauty's. So I really made them huge so you get a lot of product for what you pay for. And that way, if you are a professional makeup artist, it lasts you a lot longer and you don't have to refill your kit as often. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into the MAC 217 that has Flor on it, and I'm just gonna buff through the crease, not adding any product to this, just to blend the two colors. I'm gonna go in a little closer so you can see what I did here. See how beautifully they blend together? So this is Flor with Glory from Natasha Denona in the crease. Okay, I'm gonna stay close so you can see better what I'm doing. I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is called Azalea. It's a beautiful like coppery color. And I'm gonna start tapping that onto the lid. think I'm actually gonna wet it a little bit because I want just a little bit more. I want just a little bit more intensity. So I'm gonna use my little Wet n Wild spray. By the way, this is amazing and it's only $4.99. I have this one and I have the cucumber scented one. So awesome spray, only $5. Now, I don't know why, but for some reason this color is not wanting to stick on my lid today. And I wet it and everything. Let me wet it again. So this is a little bit more wet. Okay, there we go. Now it's starting to. Now that I have that on the outer parts, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Sunset from the Palomino Paradise palette. And I'm gonna put this on the center. Okay, and then going back into my little CXC Beauty Precise blending brush, I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, now going into Sunkissed, I'm gonna take a little pencil brush. This is the CXC Beauty Pro Pencil Brush, and I'm gonna take that shade into the inner corners. And a little bit on my brow bone. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes a little bit. So I did bake, which I usually don't do anymore, but I did it so the fallout, if I have any fallout, I can just wipe it off. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my eyes now and continue this eye look. So I'm just gonna kind of mimic what I did on the top, on the bottom. So I'm gonna go back into Flor with a clean pencil brush. This is another CXC Beauty Pro pencil brush. And I'm just gonna go on the lower lash line, starting to build up the color. And then jumping right back into the Natasha Denona palette with the color Glory to deepen out the outer corner. And I'm just using the Lash Stiletto by Maybelline. Okay, now I'm gonna quickly pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did my lashes and I popped on a quick brow because I had forgotten to do that. So I think I'm done with the eyes for right now. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face here on camera and then we'll continue. Pop everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust off the bake. And then today for baking, I used the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Loose Setting Powder, which is this one. Comes in this packaging. And I like it because it's a very lightweight powder and it comes in multiple shades, so it's very inclusive. Okay, so for blush today, I'm gonna go in with the CXC Beauty Beyond Blush Palette, but this time I'm gonna go in with Daring. And I'm gonna use this orangey shade right here, maybe mixed in with a little bit of this lighter shade. And I'm gonna start building that up on the apples of my cheeks. And it just brings life back into your face. And then with that same brush, I've been doing this technique, if you saw my last video, or not my last video because that was a vlog, but the video before that, I've been using the same fluffy blush brush for my highlight. And I kind of just dab it in there and go over my blush. And then onto my eyes, like the brow bone area. And a little bit on my forehead, nose. I've been into the really natural glow from within kind of highlight, like supermodel skin. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my mascara and just go on the lower lashes. And with a little bit of lip liner, this is MAC Spice lip liner, which is one of my all-time favorites. I'm going to line my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline lipstick. This is one of their Color Sensational lipsticks, and this is in 373 Mauve for me. And this lipstick, this is a brand new one, but this is literally the same color as the Max Spice lip liner. So if you like the Max Spice lip liner and want it all over your lips, this lipstick is an amazing dupe for that. As in color wise, of course. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of gloss. This is ColourPop and Kathleen Light's Moonchild, and I'm just gonna pop that right on top of this lipstick. And there you have it. That is the completed look using the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette in combination with the CXC Beauty Palomino Paradise palette. I hope you really enjoyed this look, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you like my tutorials, go ahead and subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I upload. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments below. How would you use these colors, or what's your favorite combination of colors when it comes to these reddish sunsetty colors? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to know, and let me know what you think about this highlighting technique, because I've been loving it recently. So I really enjoyed doing this video with you guys today, and I'll see you in my next video.